Every month, your finance team disappears for a week. They chase invoices, reconciliations, ledger postings, and scrutiny across entities. They consolidate standalone financials and reconcile intercompany. They rebuild the same board pack, by hand. And by the time the numbers reach the boardroom, they're already 3 weeks old. The problem isn't your people. It's multiple systems, reconciliation, time-consuming and repetitive tasks, and time constraints that outgrow spreadsheets, yet rarely warrant a 3-year ERP project to fix. So, finance teams sit in the gap, stitching, reconciling, burning out. Quantum Dashboard Engineering is built for that gap. It sits on top of whatever your subsidiaries already run. QuickBooks, Xero, NetSuite, SAP, Odoo, even Excel. We hard-code your consolidation logic, your intercompany eliminations, your FX, your segment cuts, into a Microsoft-secured Azure pipeline that refreshes in real time. Not a template, not a SaaS seat. Engineered for your group. What used to take 8 hours now takes 2 minutes. 98% less time on report prep. 80% less on analysis. And every number traceable to source. Audit-ready, board-ready, always on. If your month-end still owns your finance team, we should talk. Click below for a live demo. No deck, no sales call, just the product.